Welcome, my friends, to a channel where we don't just talk about celebrities, but dig deeper than tabloids and fan pages. Today, our spotlight is on Afra Sarakoglu. If you thought that after her spectacular success in the series Kingfisher, she would simply take a break and bask in the glory, you seriously underestimate her ambitions. Afra is not only planning to grow as an actress, but is also considering investments that would make even seasoned entrepreneurs dizzy. The actress has decided to invest a staggering amount, around 35 million Turkish lira, into real estate in Istanbul, while simultaneously seeking acting masterclasses, and not just anywhere, but in Europe or the States. You might think this is a typical path for an actress after a hit series, traveling abroad, a bit of study, a bit of inspiration. But with Afra, it's a bit different. She knows exactly what she wants, and every step in her career is calculated. Everything she has done so far has been geared towards results, and now she is aiming for a whole new level international. According to insider information, Afra is currently on the lookout for a mansion in one of Istanbul's prestigious neighborhoods, while also reviewing offers for courses from the best theater schools in the world. Her top choices: New York, Los Angeles, or London. Yes, these are the cities where actors become icons. By the way, let's not forget, part of Afra's family lives in the US, and that's where she's currently relaxing, combining pleasure with purpose. This means there's a good chance she'll be taking her acting course there. And this is not just a whim. Masterclasses in America are considered top notch globally. And getting an education there is like gaining access to another league. After completing her studies, Afra plans to return to Turkey and choose from the projects offered to her. And believe me, there are plenty of offers. Scripts are coming in one after another: dramatic, comedic, even historical. But the actress is in no rush. It's important for her to select not just a successful project, but one where she can showcase a new side of herself. And now for the most intriguing part: the speculation that Afra's return might coincide with a new romance. Yes, fans are whispering that if she's spotted again with M, it could mean that the ice between them has melted. While it's still all rumors for now, one hint and social media will explode. Or perhaps this is just a smokescreen before a major professional announcement. Comparing to her previous steps, it's clear that Afra knows how to build her career wisely. After Kingfisher, there was a period of calm, but not because she disappeared. Rather, she was laying the groundwork for something bigger. We see an actress who isn't chasing instant fame, but is instead gathering experience, knowledge, and reputation. She knows that her next project must not only engage the audience, but also surprise them. The question remains: what will this project be? Will she return to television series, or perhaps make her debut in feature films? Given her ambitions and investments, we are likely to witness something monumental. And if she indeed pursues training in the US or the UK, we might be on the brink of a new chapter: Afra on the international stage. For now, we can only watch and wait. The intrigue is definitely building: new real estate, studying abroad, a possible reconciliation with an ex, dozens of scripts. It all looks like the beginning of a completely new phase. And if Afra decides to start a YouTube vlog about her life in America, I wouldn't be surprised. I bet she'll succeed as she always does. If you want to keep up with how Afra shapes her career, shocks us with new decisions, and surprises us with her roles, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I promise there will be more reasons to gasp. And of course, give us a like. After all, those 35 million Turkish lira won't earn themselves.